I hope you can hear me over the rain outside. It is banging against the window like you wouldn't believe, so I'm going to speak up. But basically today I want to talk about this little gem that I got through the post, and there is absolutely nothing more exciting in my world, and probably yours, than opening new art supplies. And if you follow Tara and I at all, you'll probably know that we go out sketching together a fair amount throughout the year, and I've been wanting to invest in a little pocket-sized tin of watercolours for some time. I was sort of dabbling with the brush pens, you know, the watercolour brush pens, but being that I'm a painter, I'm an oil painter really, it doesn't sort of come naturally to me. I prefer the feel of an actual brush. So I've got these. These are made by Rembrandt. Looks like as well that most of the pigments in here are transparent, which suits me down to the ground. I love transparent colours. So I thought you might like to come along over here and see what's inside. Okay, so here we are. Let's have a look what's inside. It's a lovely box actually. And a really nice sized tin. Oh, what's this? Now, I don't know what this is for, so maybe you do, and if you do, leave me a comment, because I literally don't know what that would be for, unless it's sort of somehow clip it to your sketchbook, I don't know. Anyway, really nice sized tin, and really nice sized wells actually here. I've had a plastic one in the past, and the trouble is I don't like the way the paint sort of beads up, so it'd be nice to have a tin one. And here's all my colours. Oh, it comes with this little brush. Let's have a look. That's actually quite cute. I've actually got a travel brush, so I doubt very much if I would use this, simply because, oh, it is quite big. I don't know why, I was expecting that to be really small. Actually, it's yeah, that's worth having. Sable as well. So, time to start unwrapping these little pans. Well, I've got to admit, it was a bit fiddlier than I expected, trying to get the paints clipped into the little slots, but anyway, I've done it. And now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge the paints, and by that I mean just spray them with a bit of water, just to bring them to life. And then I'm going to use my sketchbook as a little colour chart, so I'm going to use the back page, and then I can refer to it when I'm out sketching to see what colours I need. Now, interestingly, I can't actually see what the colours are. It doesn't list them out like you'd normally get. Oh, alizarin crimson, burnt sienna, and all the rest of it. Some of them are fairly obvious. This is obviously lemon yellow. So let's have a look. Say, I am really impressed with those colours. Beautiful, beautiful transparency in a lot of them, and as I say, I like working with transparent colours, so I think this is going to be a really lovely pan to work with. Why
not check out our previous videos, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss your Art Kick Sunday. Meanwhile, you can check out our podcast and find the creative challenges we have coming up at www.kickinthecreatives.com. Back soon.